Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to add GST or Goods and Services Tax in Zoho Books to make sure your invoices and reports comply with tax regulations. First, you have to log into your Zoho Books account and go to Settings menu at the top right corner. And once you're here, you can select taxes or tax settings. It really depends on your version. And once you're here, click on it. And now click on Add Tax or New Tax to create GST tax profile. And once you click on it, you can enter the GST name and the tax percentage rate applicable to your region. Make sure to select whether it's a sales tax or a purchase tax. After saving your GST tax, you can assign it to your items or invoices so it's automatically calculated. And this will help you keep your accounting accurate and tax compliant. And that's all. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much.